Hello, my name's Richard Ellis, and I've come to talk to you a bit about committing suicide in mould. But no, wait a minute, that's kind of a little bit wrong. I'm doing a play called The Suicide in Mould. It's a comedy. I know the title doesn't necessarily suggest that, but please trust me, it really is a comedy. I know you'd think maybe there's not a lot of tap dancing in it, and you'd be right, but there is hopefully going to be a lot of laughs. So if you're around in Mould and you want to come and see The Suicide, it's on from Thursday the 25th of September, and it runs right through until October the 18th. And please believe me, it really is a comedy. I know there's a black poster and nothing says comedy like suicide, but you've got to trust us on this one. It really is funny. There's a lot of funny people in it, and I'm sure if you come you will have a laugh. So go on, come and commit suicide with us in Mould. You know you want to. Go on, do it.